Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video we're going to take a look at your unsubscribes breakdown. From the top here we're provided with a summary of those that unsubscribed from our campaign versus the remaining active subscribers. So in this scenario here we can see 1.6% of our users unsubscribed from our mailer, with 98% choosing to remain subscribed on your list. You can click on either of these segments to view a full breakdown. So let's click on unsubscribed, and now we can quickly see the list of those that unsubscribed. Again, if we clicked on active, we can see the list of your remaining active subscribers. Just underneath we have a full list of the users that unsubscribed. We can see who these were. If they were in blue, that was a normal unsubscribe, and if they have a white tag, they were added to your global suppression list. We can see who each user was and how long ago they unsubscribed. And also we can click on View All to view the complete list. And that's a quick look at understanding your unsubscribes breakdown. See you in the next one.